Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. David Dobrzykowski. I'm an associate professor here at the Sam M. Walton College of Business in the Supply Chain Department. And I'm absolutely thrilled to be with Cornelia Swardh today to talk about her experiences and internships here at the Walton College. Cornelia is just an outstanding student, so much so that she's actually playing a dual student role right now. She's completing her undergrad, which will be finished up in May of 21. And at the same time, she's so ambitious that she's also starting the accelerated MBA program. So Cornelia, thanks so much for being with me today. Maybe we could just start things out by talking a little bit about an exciting internship, a year-long internship that you have with Colgate Palmolive. Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So
Awesome.
I started my year-long internship with Colgate Palmolive in May, and I was supposed to start the internship in April, but with COVID and everything, they pushed it back a month. But I was able to start in May, and it's been an absolutely phenomenal experience. So I'm a customer service and logistics intern for the Walmart team in the Rogers, Arkansas office. And while I haven't been in the office yet, I have been working virtually, and Colgate has made the transition absolutely phenomenal. They have worked so well to set up meetings with me. The training was 2 weeks long, and they've created all these seminars during the summer with all the other interns nationwide, and it's been a phenomenal experience so far.
Did you know, like coming to the Walton College, that supply chain was it for you? Or how did you come to, choose supply chain as your concentration and then now, launching a career in that space?
Yeah, so I came into the Walton College as a freshman, not really knowing what I wanted to do. I started out actually as international business, but then when I started taking those core classes, I was like, you know what, maybe I want to focus on something else because everything is so international nowadays with business. I actually sat down with one of my mentors, Dr. Vikas Anand, and him and I sat down and talked, and he sort of guided me and helped me sort of decide what would fit me and my interest. And so when I talked about really wanting to be like international and sort of what interested me in business, he was like, you know what, I think supply chain would be a good fit for you.
He's a
And
very
so
wise man.
yes, he is a very wise man. And so I was in the basic intro to supply chain class with Dr. Stephanie Thomas, and I really enjoyed that class. And so that's when I switched my major to supply chain. Thank you.
So, you also mentioned to me previously that Professor Anand had a great opportunity for you to study abroad. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So I studied abroad in India with the Walton College last summer, and it was one of the best experiences of my life. We spent a whole month in India traveling around, and we were partnered with a college in Delhi.
Hmm.
And so we worked on projects with them, and we sort of had a create your own learning day. And one of the teams focused on like the supply chain of India. And we would go and we went into a market one day, and we basically saw how they set up the market and how they would bring all the goods in on like cows, or they'd carry it on their back. And I was like, this is like, I'm watching the supply chain happen right now. It was absolutely amazing to see like how that's how they move the goods from one place to another.
That's
Um,
a whole new take on last mile, right? I mean, and
yeah,
BOP and so forth. That's great.
exactly. Yeah.
Well, Cornelia Swardh, thanks for spending some time with me today. You're just an outstanding, example of the high quality students that, come out of the Walton College. And I'm just thrilled to be with you and to be working together. Look forward to seeing you in the fall.
Yes, thank you. I'm looking forward to taking your class.
All right. Woo pig.
Yes.
Take care.
Thank you.